Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great honor to be able to speak my opinion here today. As all of you know, Ulsan is carrying out eco-friendly business to improve the future of this city in many different fields. Using the offshore wind, our floating wind farm is one of those projects, and therefore receives worldwide attention as a new and renewable energy source. I'm going to introduce this national plan, the floating wind farm of Ulsan. Wind power generation is a development of renewable energy, making use of the same principle as the windmill. Being different from other methods which negatively result in waste and greenhouse gas emissions, this technology is catching everyone's attention as a solution to global warming. But in fact, the existing systems had some problems. Due to the difficulty of finding a place where the wind was strong enough throughout the year, they were placed on land, which resulted in an unstable electricity supply. The low-frequency noise from the blade and the shadow flickering phenomenon, referring to the periodic blocking of the sun, would often place local residents under very stressful conditions, and they would say, "Oh my God!" To solve these problems, the floating wind farm with the wind farm placed on the sea has been designed. It is stable because the wind is more constant and stronger than that of the land. And since it is built on the surface of the ocean far from residential areas, the problems of blade noise and shadow flickering are naturally solved. This unique type of Ulsan wind farm promises less carbon dioxide and enough electricity, which will be used in 5.76 million houses, needless to mention over 210,000 jobs. Also, based on the original technologies Ulsan has, the advantages of related industries such as steel and shipbuilding will be tremendous. Thanks to a strong wind, industrial technology, and professional manpower, Ulsan is regarded as the most suitable city for the floating wind farm, and these natural and man-made circumstances will naturally open the door for sustainable future energy as well. There is no denying that the importance of sea breeze without carbon emissions is almost equivalent to that of the oil resources of 21st century. The floating wind farm of Ulsan will be the green shortcut for efficient energy conservation and carbon neutrality, allowing Ulsan citizens another new growth engine that we can depend on. In a few years, this will become a reality for Ulsan. Thank you.
네, 수고 많으셨습니다. 진출자가 번호 뽑아주세요. 네, 우리 학생 뽑은 번호는요. 12번, number 12.
How do you feel when you see people in other countries driving cars that were made in Ulsan?
Like the Hyundai cars, hydrogen cars, and electricity cars are used in the other countries. When I see them, I feel really proud, and I hope the industry will develop more and more in the future. Thank you.
네, 수고 많으셨습니다. 다시 한번 큰 박수 부탁드리겠습니다. 다음